Educator in real estate. I hope you're doing well today, wherever you are. I want to talk to you today about probate. Every state is different when it comes to probate, and probate is giving or passing assets from the deceased family member individual to the next individual, the beneficiary, administrator, or whomever, however it's set up. Probate is taking the assets or the estate from the deceased name and passing it to the next individual or family member. Okay? Well, some states require an attorney, some don't. An individual can go in and file the documentation themselves. And what I'm doing is sharing these experiences that my brother and I are learning along the way, because we've never experienced probate, and our family properties have just passed to one another. They've owned the properties right out. But with our mother's passing on, now we're managing her estate and shifting everything. So yes, we could have gone and filed the documentation ourselves, but both of us, my brother and I, are of the mindset that if there is a professional who can handle this, then we rely on the professional so we don't miss out on any steps. And I did post something once upon a time. You call the professional for that particular matter. Yes, we can sit and we can learn everything on our own, but the time it saves. And then during this time of bereavement and grief, we haven't wanted to have to sit and learn something new, so we've called an attorney to assist us with this probate matter for our mama, for her estate. Now, there are different types of estates. It's based on the number or the amount of the assets, okay? So there's so many technicalities associated with probate and which documents must be filed. Now, thank God that mama didn't have all this debt, so we don't have to be concerned about that. Nonetheless, the public still needs to be made aware that this person is deceased and no longer with us, okay, just in case there is something out there that we don't know about, or whomever else who is in the same situation with the loss of a family member they don't know about, where the public has to be made aware. But this is the deal. This is the situation. Make sure you have money. You need money regardless. The Bible says money answers all things. It does. Now, you can go in and file, I think I saw a minimum $120 here. There's a certain dollar amount just for the individual. If the individual wants to go in and handle the probate themselves, they can. But then when you get into hiring an attorney, the minimum is $1,500. Now, that's Arkansas. Even though I'm in the state of North Carolina, mama's estate is in Arkansas. So that's the minimum on that end, and it can go up from there. It just depends on the type of estate. There's a $1,500, there's a $2,500. Then it's contingent upon how many documents the attorney must file on the behalf of the family, how many times they may need to go to court, things of that nature. So this is what you do. First of all, if you can put everything in a trust or have your family member do that, then the trust will speak. The trust rules. Again, get the information from the professional. I'm just putting out here what I discussed with someone else. I'm not a professional in these manners. No way whatsoever. I'm not a professional. But ensure that you have money, because money answers all things. So, probate, minimum $120 is what I read somewhere, one state. I don't know where you reside. But when it comes to matters of an attorney, minimum that I've seen is $1,500. So get your house in order. Get your family's house in order. Your individual, your siblings, your parents, whomever, help them. Because we don't know when this time is coming, but you want to be prepared, and you definitely don't want to do this on your own. So have the finances to hire an attorney to help you through the probate process. Educator in real estate. I'll talk to you later. Have a great day.